Sofa sets have been ready to export to the world from China, Foshan. These sofa sets are huge, big, large. Quality are the best. Not trash sofas. Manufacture. Sofa set manufacture. Wooden frame. Framed by the sponge. Wooden frame framed by the sponge. This is the bottom of the sofa. Spring underneath the sofa. Manufacture. Here is the manufacture of sofa sets. We are located in Foshan, China. Inner parts of the sofa. Wooden frame and spring. This worker is making the frame, sofa frame, wooden frame, sofa wooden frame. Shooting the nail. Alright, here is dangerous. I'm gonna leave here.